Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Mike's Rusty Finds. Today we have a new to me vintage treadle sewing machine. It's been sitting outside for a while. If it comes out, you can see it's got the scroll work on the front. She's been sitting outside for a bit. She still has a little bit of movement in her. So this thing really needs to be cleaned up and oiled. And we might buy the sticker package for this one and repaint it. So I would definitely take any suggestions as to what color we should paint this old girl. She's just barely moving, so we're gonna have to do some cleaning, get rid of some spider webs. This is the you can't really tell from the stickers. This has got the Spanx sticker package on it. So we'll be researching this number, find out when she was born. Like I say, she's in desperate need of some penetrating oil, and she just needs a little bit of love. I kept telling the neighbor no, I had enough machines, but he brought it over, so now I just need to give her some time and attention. I don't have a cabinet, so this is where I'm at with this one. So any suggestions or comments are more than welcome. And as always, thank you for watching Mike's Rusty Finds. Please like, share, and subscribe.